Hi, class. For today's assignment, we're going to keep moving on with our scientific method lesson. Today, you actually are going to be designing an experiment based on our question and our hypothesis that we made yesterday. So, we've determined our question and our hypothesis. Our question is, do bugs only socialize with other bugs of the same color? Our hypothesis, remember we base our hypothesis on our question we want to answer, is if bugs are put in a closed area, then the bugs will only socialize with bugs of the same color because they want to be around their own species. So the bugs don't want to mix species, they just want to hang out with their own species. Today, you are going to be designing an experiment that tests the hypothesis. So you need to come up with an experiment that tests if you put bugs in a closed area, then they will socialize with bugs of the same color because they want to hang out with bugs of the same species. So remember, experiments do three things. Number one, they test the hypothesis. So you can't design an experiment that's going to test something else. You don't want to, if you're testing if bugs are going to hang out with the same color, you need to make an experiment that's going to do that. You wouldn't make an experiment that tests the effect of bleach on food coloring, right? That doesn't make sense. That wouldn't test your hypothesis. So make sure your experiment tests your hypothesis. The second thing, experiments need to be written out step by step. So you're going to write step one. You're going to tell me what your step one is. Step two, write out step two. You need to write out every step very clearly, okay? We want to be able to do the third thing an experiment does, and that is make it clear and understandable so anyone could redo the experiment. So if you design this experiment, someone from anywhere in the country should be able to read it and reproduce the experiment. So today you're just going to write out an experiment that tests the hypothesis, and I've included the question and the hypothesis in this assignment below this video. If you have any questions, please let me know with an email. I hope you guys have a great day, and hopefully I'll see you in school soon. Bye.